Hi friends, welcome to Code Hub. Today we are going to discuss about string data types. Previous session we have to discuss about numerical data type. Now we will discuss about string data types. What is string data type? String is going to surrounding by either single quotation or double quotation. Like whatever the text data they are given in between the single quote or double quote or triple quotes is called string. By using three quotes to do multi-line string in the program as same to same printed. Let's go to IDE. Let's store the some data like string equals to in between the double quotations like welcome to code hub. Just print it. Print the variable name. Yes, it will showing welcome to code hub. But we will directly print it this variable name like using string and print it. If we are using print function to print it, they won't show the single quotation. Otherwise, directly print the variable, they will showing single quote function. We are going to use single quote. The variable name is a using single quote in between hello world and using print function print a. There we go. Next we are using triple quotation. Like if you store some paragraph or using multi-lined scripted words by using triple quotes. Example, some data is the variable name. We are using triple quote like this. Enter some pair values. Welcome to the code hub. This is data type data type session and string data type will be stored the text content. This is some multi-lined data. We will display how. Let's print data. Just shift and control. The data is printed as I have typed like this by line. In the every string data is allocated the some specific memory in databases. That memory will start index value will be 0. Like whatever the data we have to example take some data hello world. It will store like this. Hello h is index value is 0, e is index value is 1, like that. If any have spaces in between the words, it will take some location like this. And let's check the memory allocations in Jupyter notebook. we have to take some data, means uh, capital S is a variable name and the data should be uh, QWERTY, and we have to print S into index 0 value. Just shift enter. Right, the database will be stored allocated memory is 0q, and choose any other thing, print s 2, just shift enter as same as. The memory will stores like q is a 0 and w is a 1, e is a 2, like that. We have to take q is e. Let's see the length function. Just length function is counting the length value of given string. Let's check it. Just take some data. Data is equals to uh, welcome to my YouTube channel, and check it. Length is a function, data is a variable. Let's see this. 29 letters in the data, including the spaces also. Next topic is slicing. You can return a range of characters by using slicing syntax. It means you want to print a particular range of values in given data. You have to choose slicing function. Just example it. We have some data. Data is equal to welcome to my channel. I want to print some particular range of data I needed, like print data and 3 and 8. Just shift and enter. If you have to see this memory allocation, w is 0, 1 and 2 and 3. 3 is c to 8. It means 3 4 5 6 7. 7 is a spacing and 8 is t. But in slicing function, the last 8 value should be not printed. Before that last text data will not printed here. It means I want to change it like 9. Just see it. If 9 to 1 is 10, oh, then automatically printed before 1 t. And the next one, negative indexing. It means we are using negative indexes also working in slicing function, like this. If we have some data, just print -3 or -1. It will start with reverse function. Let's going to check with negative indexing. It will start with back to front. Let's check it. Print data goes with -9 to -3. It will gives -9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Before the 9, E2 starts with 3 till the 3. It should be displayed. Then the next topic is string concatenate. What is the mean by concatenate? It will be combining with two different strings, combining or combination or adding with using plus operation. Let's do some example. Some values give A or B. Can A is equal to hello and B is equal to world. It will add with using C function. Let's I have to give some to A hello and to B world and add them by using plus operator. A plus B. Just print the function what it to be happen. Hello world, but there is no space in between the hello world. Let's do some small operation by using double quotes in between the space and using one more plus. C plus double quotes in between space plus B. What should be happen? Yes. Yes, we are get the space in between the hello world. Please do subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.